Paano kung 8 kami na minor children, 18 and below, at namatay ang papa namin na GSIS member? Sino ang mag-qualify sa amin sa dependent pension? Kami ba lahat? Answer. Unang-una, sir, maganda yung question mo about GSIS dependent pension. So, sino mag-qualify sa inyo? Since marami kayo, 8 kayo, ang sagot po natin, sir, ay based po sa nabasa natin sa GSIS brochure. Ito po. So, may example tayo, friends. Ayan. For example, si ate 17 years old, kuya 16 years old, Eddie 15 years old, Joel 14 years old, Grace 13 years old, Rene 12 years old, May 10 years old, Pauline 8 years old. Ang mag-qualify po sa GSIS Dependent Pension ay mag-start po sa youngest na minor children, which is si Pauline, 8 years old, up to 5 child. Up to 5 lang po ang pwede sa dependent pension. Ibig sabihin, from Pauline to May, Rene, Grace, and Joel. Hindi kasali si Eddie, Kuya, and Ate. Yan po ang sagot natin sa question niyo po. Sir, ayan po, up to 5 children na po, starting from youngest is 10% of basic monthly pension ng papa nila. So for example, 30,000 ang basic monthly pension ni papa nila, every month po, 10% po ang makuha nila as pension if namatay yung papa nila. So tag 3,000 po sila. So saan nakuha ang 3,000? 30,000 times 10% is equal to 3,000. So 3,000 po ang ma-receive nila monthly. Pauline, May, Rene, Grace, Joel. Up to 18 years old po. So pag 19 years old na sila, ay ma-stop na po yan. Opo, since hindi na sila minor children. Ayan po. Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni Sir. Kung may tanong kayo, please write in our comment section. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.